Welcome to our comprehensive guide on automotive harnesses. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the world of automotive wiring, exploring the critical role that harnesses play in modern vehicles. Automotive harnesses, also known as wiring harnesses or cable assemblies, are the lifelines of your vehicle's electrical systems. They serve as organized networks of wires, connectors, and components designed to deliver power and information to various parts of your car. There are different types of automotive harnesses, each serving specific functions in your vehicle. Engine harnesses provide power and signals to the engine components, while body harnesses connect electrical systems inside the vehicle. Chassis harnesses, on the other hand, link essential systems like brakes and steering. An automotive harness consists of several key components. Wires form the backbone, carrying electricity and signals. Connectors securely join wires, and terminals ensure reliable connections. Protective sleeves shield the harness from abrasion, heat, and environmental factors, ensuring longevity and safety. Quality policy. We at Yyharness is committed for manufacturing of wiring harness and fulfill applicable requirements and deliver it to customer on time with minimum error. We will do this through continually improving our quality management system.